Number 5.
Introducing Porter Cable's new 20-volt max lithium-ion oscillating tool, PCC710B, part of the new growing linked system of high-performance tools. Featuring the patent-pending tool-free blade change system, makes accessory changes quick and easy. A variable speed dial delivers 8,000 to 18,000 oscillations per minute for optimized performance and control. This tool features a comfortable 3-position overmold, allowing users to work with less vibration and fatigue. A powerful LED work light brightens dark work areas and includes 20 assorted cutting, sanding, scraping, and grinding accessories. 20-volt Max Compact and Max Pack lithium-ion batteries are compatible with the tool. Both the Compact and the Max Pack batteries deliver the power and runtime needed for the job. 20-volt Max oscillating tool delivers performance, ease of use, and value demanded on the job site. As part of the new line of Porter Cable 20-volt Max linked system tools, it delivers the power you need at the price you want. Get linked with the power and performance of 20-volt Max.
Number 4.
Remember when power tools were actually powerful? Since 1951, Wen has equipped woodworkers with reliable tools at an affordable price. Now, with our 12-inch variable speed drill press, you'll get top-of-the-line drilling power without compromising performance or price. Adjust the variable speed to any rate between 530 and 3100 RPM to perfectly complement your workpiece. Watch as this Wen drill press glides through wood like a soldering iron through butter. That is beautiful. Remember when power tools were versatile enough for any project? This package includes an adjustable work table that not only bevels but also extends outwards, an onboard digital readout and lever for easy changes to RPM, and a combination work light and laser for maximum accuracy. Remember when tools were built for rugged performance? Attack wood, plastic, and metal with ease. Watch as we effortlessly drill into an inch of pure cast iron. The Wen 12-inch variable speed drill press. Remember when power tools were actually powerful? Remember when.
Number 3.
Welcome to Works on Amazon.
The Works Pegasus is a versatile work table that can be used as a portable sawhorse or workbench. The Pegasus holds a variety of materials and can support up to 1,000 pounds. It has a storage shelf for tools and supplies when doing projects and comes with 2 quick clamps and 4 clamping dogs to securely hold all of your materials. Whether you're cutting, sanding, painting, staining, or building, the Pegasus is a must-have work table. You can also easily attach a power strip to power through all of your projects. If more workspace is needed, you can expand your work table by linking multiple Pegasus tables together. Its compact design is perfect for easy transport and storage. The Works Pegasus is a must-have portable work table whether you're a professional contractor or a DIYer. Get yours today.
Number 2. Number 1.
This is the Dremel SawMax, another amazingly versatile tool system from Dremel. The SawMax gives you the ability to make all your common cuts with confidence. Multi-purpose cutting wheels easily cut through everyday materials like wood, drywall, plastics, plywood, and more. Just set the depth of your cut and go. With its ergonomic design, you'll have an unparalleled view of the task at hand. Masonry and tile wheels make quick work of tough materials like wall and floor tile, granite, cement board, or pavers. A flush cutting wheel can be used on its own or paired with special guides for making bevel cuts, miter cuts, or cutting 2x4s, all with the ease of single-handed operation, no matter where you're cutting, which makes it the tool you'll reach for time and time again. Check out the Dremel SawMax wherever power tools are sold. Cut with confidence. Cut with the Dremel SawMax.